Hi, Ginger Gay here to talk to you today about a simple and fast way for merchants to access capital for your business. Hint, it's through your payment processor. So for many small businesses, access to capital isn't just helpful, it's essential. Whether you're preparing for seasonal demand, purchasing inventory, hiring staff, or investing in marketing, having access to extra funds when you need them can be the difference between growth and stagnation. Now, for small businesses that need fast capital, this ability through your payment processor is huge. We can offer an embedded finance solution in your credit card payment processing portal, giving you a smart way to get funding without the headache of searching for a traditional loan. Here's some more information about this game changer. We can offer you financing options straight from your physical payment terminal or from a virtual terminal on your dashboard on your computer. There are no separate bank applications, no piles of paperwork to do, and no endless back and forth with a lender. Our credit card processor analyzes your own sales data and offers funding tailored to your business's real performance. It's not a loan in the traditional sense, it's a revenue-based advance that aligns repayment with your actual sales. So your payment processor is receiving your funds and delivering them to you, receiving funds from the payment processing so they can advance extra money because they know your business and they know you're going to keep selling and bringing in more money through the payment processing. Another thing that's cool about the capital you can get from your payment processor, the funding offers come to you. You don't have to chase lenders. It'll pop up in your virtual terminal or physical terminal. Repayment adjusts with your sales volume. Everything happens directly in your merchant services system. The process is simple. Here's how it works. The funding offer appears in your dashboard. Once you're approved, you'll see an offer with a clear amount and a cost. You decide if it fits your needs. Choose the amount that works for you. You don't have to accept the full offer. You choose how much you want to take. Funds are deposited directly to your account. There's no waiting weeks for approval. Funds can hit your account very fast. Repayment happens automatically. A fixed percentage of your daily sales is used to repay the advance. On slower days, you pay less. On busy days, you pay a bit more without penalties. Let's review the top benefits now of capital funding for merchants through their payment processor. 1. Quick access to funding. No bank hassles. One of the biggest pain points for small business owners is applying for traditional bank loans. It can take weeks to review, require financial statements, and hurt your credit with hard inquiries. Our program eliminates that. Your own sales history becomes the basis for approval, and offers can land in your dashboard with no credit checks. There are no fixed monthly payments. Traditional loans have fixed monthly payments regardless of how your business performed that month. That can be tough when revenue fluctuates. With capital advances from your payment processor, you pay a percentage of your sales, not a fixed bill. On slower days or months, you pay less. On busier periods, you repay faster. This gives you cash flow flexibility, a feature many small businesses desperately need. Repayment is tied to sales. Because repayment automatically comes from your daily sales from payment processing, you don't have to remember due dates and track multiple invoices. You don't have to worry about late fees. Everything is completely aligned with how you earn money, which makes it so much easier to manage the payment. No collateral is needed. Many traditional lenders require collateral, equipment or property or personal guarantees before giving funds. But we can build in financing offers based on your sales performance, so you're not putting your assets on the line. This makes it especially attractive for newer businesses, businesses without significant assets, and seasonal businesses. 5. Use funds for what matters most. There are no restrictions on how you spend your funds. Merchants commonly use them for buying inventory at volume discounts, hiring staff, renovations, marketing campaigns, upgrading equipment, and covering slow seasonal periods. So this flexibility makes access to capital useful across industries, from retail to restaurants to service-based businesses. 6, transparent offers in your POS. Unlike many lenders who hide fees or surprise business owners with hidden costs, our capital funding shows clear terms right in your dashboard. You'll see the total amount you're offered, the total cost of funds, your daily repayment percentage. You'll always know what you're getting, no mystery. 7, the funds are available directly where you run your business. You don't have to manage separate accounts. You don't deal with third-party portals, moving money around from one account to the business account to make a payment. You stay in one dashboard for payments, for reporting, and for your capital funding. This centralized approach saves time and reduces confusion for business owners. So who should consider capital funding through their payment processor? Merchants who need fast funding without bank delays. Merchants who want flexible repayment tied to sales. Merchants who prefer simplicity over complex loan paperwork. Merchants who need working capital for growth. Merchants who don't want secure funding with personal assets. For many small business owners, this combination is exactly what they need to thrive. And in today's competitive economy, cash flow is king, and how you access capital can make or break your business. So if you want no banks, no confusing applications, no rigid monthly payments, just funding that works based on your sales, give us a call at Electronic Money Company. We help merchants understand financing options. We reduce processing costs, we improve your cash flow management, and we can give you real human support. If you're curious about if this is a good fit for you, let's talk. Give us a call at 505-362-0837. Invest in growth, not paperwork. Talk to you soon.